In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively link a blog post title to an external URL in Squarespace. This is a great skill to have if you're looking to direct your readers to a specific web page when they click on your post's title, adding an extra layer of interactivity and depth to your web content. Let's start by opening the Pages panel in your Squarespace site. Once you're there, locate your blog page. You can do this easily by looking through your list of pages until you spot your blog section. Once you've found it, you will see a list of your blog posts. Find the post that you wish to edit. Hover your cursor over that specific blog post, and you'll see a set of 3 dots appearing next to it. This is your gateway to accessing more options for your blog post. Click on those 3 dots. When you click, a small menu will pop up, giving you several choices. From this menu, you'll want to select the Settings option. Clicking on Settings allows you to dive into the finer details of your blog post, including the linking settings we're focusing on today. Next, you'll see a tab for Content, or it may say Options, depending on which version of Squarespace you're using. Click on this tab. What we're aiming to do here is to link your blog post title directly to an external URL, which is a handy trick for those of you looking to connect your content to other relevant resources online. In the tab you've just opened, look for the source URL field. This is an important box. Here, you should enter the full URL of the external page you want your post title to link to. Be very careful to include the full address, meaning you need to add in that crucial HTTPS or HTTPS at the beginning of the URL. This part ensures that the link functions correctly and directs users to the exact destination you intend. Now, let's make sure your post title is actively linking to the source URL. Look for the option labeled Link Post Title to Source URL. You'll need to toggle this option to the On position. This action is what actually enables the post title to become a clickable link leading to the URL you've specified. Finally, once you've double-checked that everything is set up as you wanted, go ahead and click Save. In some situations, you might see an option that says Save and Publish. Choose whichever option is most appropriate for your needs at the time, ensuring that your changes are effectively applied. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully directed your blog post title to a specified URL, enhancing the navigation and functionality of your blog. Stay tuned for more tips and strategies to maximize your Squarespace experience.